Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. So this time I'm enjoying a lot, and today I'm going to let me show you, cook this snail. First of all, we'll wash this. Last time when I came, I made it with anishi. This time I'm going to fry it. So काटना शुरू करेंगे अभी. चलो. Cindy, please come and help me. Na, Cindy, tu itani newspaper itani na, tu chamma karo le. Mati din ni pila mo. Aro extra kam ho jao. ऐसा करके. You have to cut this upper one and pukor bhi kati bo lage. You have to remove this one. What do we call this actually? Alright. Well guys, we have cleaned everything. See this? Now I'm going to wash it. We have to wash it very properly by water then by salt. So chalo guys, let's go for washing. I'm washing it, it's just water. 3-4 times I will first wash it by water. Well, what? Slowly you do like this. Slowly. Otherwise the shells it will break. So slowly just do it. So that the dirt which are in the shell, it will come out. So don't do it so roughly. Just gently you do like this. Now I'm going to clean it with salt. This salt will remove all the dirt from the shell. You do like this, and you should do like this. Gently you should do. See, iman nitra olai je. Then we nimuk pra bhal ra dhulao lage. Ek par dhulai je. Aro, one more time I will do. So we will do the same process. See? See, as you can see now that the water is clean, it means this hammock is clean properly. I've washed it in water so many times, more than 10 times. So now it's time to cook. So guys, now we are going to start cooking. I'm going to add this mustard oil in this karai. We call it this karai. Okay. Some more I will add. That's all. We will wait for the oil to get heated. Okay, first of all we'll add this onion. For a minute you fry it. Aji to hamuk to fry version bunai ase moi. Now we will add this ginger garlic paste. Already my bay leaves भी डाले हैं तेजपत्ता निमक अलप ढालियो हल्दी আছে তো हल्दी धनिया पाउडर ये बिछदे जीरा पाउडर भी अलग ढालिब और मैं चिकन मसाला यूज करे तो जैसा पूछे now we will add this hamuk. आलू भी ढालिब 2 big size and 1 is medium size. Now we are going to add the potatoes. Now we will add some more salt. So salt it's up to you, it's according to your taste. So after adding the potatoes, I fried it like 6 to 7 minutes. Now I'm going to add hot water. Please use hot water only. By the way, before adding the onion, you can add green chilies, but I have not added green chilies since my parents, because of some health issues, they cannot eat chili. First, I'm going to take out some hamuk and potatoes for them, and at the last only, I'm going to add red chili powder. But you should add, before adding the onion, you should first fry the green chilies. This is tangma or thambak we say it. So I'm going to add this little bit. Solop. By chance, by the hamuk kha bishri pet dikhai na kiba hoishile ba. Endi not as ba. Sab bhalra bagise, alu bhi bagise. So just to make the gravy a little bit thicker, I'm going to mash few of potatoes. Nice. Yeah. Lalu, bisa? I'll cook it like 5 minutes and it will be ready to eat. Try Guru. Pagi siapa orang? Oh. There is soup package, so like I said before, I'm going to take out little bit for my parents. Akan merca nak hai, ini without merca. Oh. Mana merca? Combi lu boleh ni mo. Yeah, mohon kamu ni chili powder orang pada dia. Upay nahi, last time मैं chili powder खाली थी. merca halal tease हो जाए. चलो होइसी ज्यादा और खावा. एकदम solid there. Mom bhala hai. So today I'm going to enjoy this with rice. After coming here, I don't know how. Oh my God, it's been like 5-6 days. We are just enjoying with different varieties of recipes. So today I'm going to enjoy this with rice, and I hope that you like watching this video. And please, those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. So as long as I'm here in Dimapur, Nagaland, I'm going to cook varieties of Naga food. This is one of them, and agi bhi bishi aayi hole. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye. Ta-da.